Hi, class. For your convenience, I will be going over the week 4 assignment. The assignment is called Employment and Career Development Paper. The assignment is to write a paper of about 1,500 to 2,000 words. I do not count words, as you already know from the syllabus. You may use more or less words to meet the requirements. Focus on quality of content rather than number of words. Item A of the instructions for the assignment is self-explanatory. Select an organization of your choice and provide background of the organization and major challenges in employee development programs, career development, and appraisals. Support facts about the organization and challenges with relevant research citations. Most students choose an organization they know, where they work or have worked, or a large organization that has plenty of information available. Examples are Google or Amazon, but you do not have to use those. Choose an organization that you feel comfortable with. I trust that you know the meaning of employee development programs, career development, and appraisals. If you are uncertain about these programs, read your text and search for information or examples about these programs. The next assignment question is to explain the different management development methods available and determine the recommended method to use for your selected organization. Explain reasons why and support your reasoning and with relevant research. For this question, some students in other courses do not take the time to read and understand the question. It is asking about management development methods, not about employee development methods in general. Yes, managers are employees. It is asking for the type of employee who are managers and how to develop managers. There are several ways to develop managers. Read your text and search for relevant examples. Remember to support your answers with relevant research and acknowledge it with in-text citations. The next question is very important. Create an outline of an appraisal system using existing methods, new ones that you create, or a combination of different methods, existing and new ones, and support it with relevant research. You have a choice about which appraisal to use. It should be a brief description of the appraisal process. Remember to support the appraisal system with research. The next question asks you to create an outline of a disciplinary system, such as progressive discipline or discipline without punishment, and support it with relevant research. Again, you have a choice as to which type of disciplinary system you wish to create. Progressive discipline and discipline without punishment are listed as examples. You may create other type of disciplinary system. However, this one needs to be of your own creation. You should know enough about disciplinary systems to create one for this assignment. Support your system with research. The last question is to design a career development program for the selected organization. Support your reasoning with relevant research. This one is self-explanatory, like the first question. This career development program is not what the organization is doing right now or has done, but should be of your own creation. This is not about what the organization is doing. This is about your own creation. You create, you design a career development program and support your program with research. Example, if you say that your program should have training in X, find a citation, not a direct quote, that supports that training X is desirable. Students may have some difficulty with some of the questions because they're not familiar with the concepts like career development or appraisal. Not knowing the concepts does not mean that a question is vague or unclear. It means that you need to go back to the text and get familiar with the concepts. Once you know the concepts, it should be very easy to understand what it means to create an appraisal system or to explain a management development method. The problem is if you do not know what a management development method is or an appraisal system. Some general reminders. Writing third person, you know this from the assignment instructions. Remember to go back to resources under course materials. You have a lot of different information there, examples. Writing third person, you may wish to do a search in Word if you're not certain. For first person pronouns like I, me, mine, we, our, and for second person pronouns like you, your, and yours. So you do a quick search and delete all of those and rephrase your paper to make sure that it's not in first or second person. That's just an example on how to do it. Search for relevant research and quality sources such as professional research journals and peer-reviewed documents. You may use other sources, other lower quality sources like websites of organizations to supplement your research. Support main ideas with research. The general format, and this is in resources in course materials, is you make a main statement. You could say the sky is black or gray or red, whatever it may be. That would be a main statement. And then you support it with other people, other scholars who have said that the sky is actually that color. So that's how you support your work. That's how your work becomes factual. That's how it becomes persuasive. Paper should have an introduction and closing paragraphs. Remember again to use headings to organize your paper. Use a title page and format the paper in APA. Everything in APA should be black and white. Your paper is white, your font is black. No colors. Remember to include a reference page. And that's it. Easy. I'm looking forward to reviewing perfect papers. Some professors do not like to give 100% scores, but I just like doing that. I'm looking forward to seeing that you could earn all possible points and that you earn 100%. Read the instructions and follow them. Use your creativity to create the systems that the assignment asks you to do. Do not use your creativity to do a totally different assignment that does not answer the questions of this assignment. Focus on the questions, control wandering imaginations, and maintain the focus on answering the assignment questions. There's plenty of room for being creative when you answer the questions and when you create the different systems. Ask me questions if you're unclear about something. Talk to me. It is a very easy assignment, as you can see.